So I finally got the Bellami silk hair clip-ins, and I'm so excited because today I'm getting them installed and styled because yeah, I'm not gonna try to do it. Look at my hair right now. It's like, yeah, no, I need help. So the one that I got, this is the 22-inch off black clip-ins. And so it comes with a couple of pieces, I believe 7 altogether. So they're not really like, and they're heavy too. The hair quality is really nice, but here's the clip-in. It's like a silk clip-in, so it's very like bendy. And then it comes with a bunch of other clip-ins. So really nice quality hair, like it's really heavy. So it comes with about 7 other clip-ins of various sizes. So here you can see like the different sizes that it kind of comes in. So I'm really excited about getting them installed and styled. Yeah, so come with me and let's get it done.
Look over here, babe.
And here it is. Beautiful. Super, super beautiful, super full.